One of the nicest features on macOS, in my opinion, is the Spacebar media preview. So the idea being that if you've got a media file, whether it be a picture or a sound file or a video, you can just tap on it, hit the spacebar, and it opens it up and gives you a quick preview. Sometimes, however, it fails and it just doesn't play. So if I were to hit this, that's going to open up and play because it's working at the moment, but sometimes it just doesn't play. Or you might open a video file like this, and it just doesn't start playing. There are two ways I've found to solve that. The first one is to go to your Apple menu here in the top left-hand corner, go down to Force Quit, or alternatively, you can press Command, Option, and Escape. That's what this little thing here is. So if I do that, Command, Option, Escape, we now open up this little window here that has Force Quit applications. And what you want to do here is Relaunch Finder. I'm not going to click on it now because it'll probably mess up my screen capture or something like that. But if you relaunch that, that will probably work. The reason I found this happens in my case is because sometimes I'm using a sound card and I might turn it off at night, so the Mac suddenly sees it's disappeared, and it's that change of sound card that seems to mess things up. So the other solution is just to go to your sound card selection and just change it. So here I'm on the Fireface, maybe just switch it over to the Mac for a second and then switch it back again. And for me, that also changed it. So there we go. Quick solution. Thanks for watching. See you next time.